Hey guys, Strength Plan here with a new type of video. It's the unboxing of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Right now I'm recording with iPhone 12 Pro Plus or whatever they call it. So hopefully the videos will be a lot better with the 15, like these card videos, Tesla videos, maybe driving videos. I'll see what they look like, but let's give it a try. So we got this box here and it looks like it's pretty easy to open. Let's right now it's completely sealed. So once we do it, we can't go back. So let's open it up. Boom. Pretty easy, make it easy to open. I'm gonna trade in my phone for $450 off the price of, I believe it's like $1,600. So still good amount, $1,200, and paying like $47 a month for it for like the rest of eternity, pretty much. So wow, look at that iPhone upside down. Let's take it out. It's nicely like that. Boom. Move this to the side. Voila. Got the 15, iPhone 15 in the face of Pokemon cards. Put it like that. Picture. Take a picture of that. iPhone, take a picture. Just takes a picture as well. It's recording the video, but okay. Let's give it a try. How do we open it? Another type of peeling thingy. You can see iPhone 15 Pro Max. So also on the top and bottom, so that's cool. Let's try. So the top, unboxing, if I can do it. Okay, got that. And here, if I slant my body over here, okay, boom. And you always have to open it like this, just like, boom. Voila, iPhone 15 Pro Max. I mean, if you have a 14 or a 13, you probably not much difference, but once you got to like 12, 11, the battery life sucks, storage is gone. We're definitely in need of a new phone. You can, especially when you go on vacations, you notice it. I'm like carrying the external battery source, like I depend on it for my life. Without the battery, I'm like, dead meat in like 2 hours. You're trying to go out for like 12 hours a day, like you're only good for like 2 hours. So boom, get the nice light on it there, get the nice Apple light there. Okay, it's pretty cool, like titanium. It's like a silver. I mean, right now I have a gold phone, that gold one, so gold and silver, titanium, unbreakable. Let's throw it against something and see if it breaks. No, let's just take good care of it. Pretty cool. Hopefully the battery, after 1 week, it doesn't die to 87%, right? Voila. What does it come with in the box? Let's take a look first. Normal, right? Look at this. What's this? Okay, just use your eSIM for setup. Not much in here. There's like their instruction guide. It's probably pretty useless. And then nothing else in here. They don't give you any battery pods or AirPods or earbuds or anything. But you got your external USB-C. It's like a two-way thing. So you're supposed to have your own like a little block to plug it in. You might now have to get all these new blocks just for it. So okay, don't need to look at that. It's good. Move that to the side. Boom. So we got this iPhone here. Let's unravel it. Let's turn on and see, do the final. I gotta be careful not to get any dust on it, right? And then I gotta put that shield over it. So I shouldn't even touch it. I don't think I should touch it. I should probably put the shield on like right now, right? Probably. I shouldn't even touch it. We'll see. But that's it. And then let me put the cover over it first before it gets like dusty with my hands. So I shouldn't even touch it, but we'll leave it there for now. Boom. Alright guys, you can watch me clean it and put the glass on as well. Got these wipes, wet and dry. So I guess we do it. I mean, it should be clean, right? All I did was take off the cover, but let's just do it anyways, right? We don't want to take any chances. So the worst thing is like a one little piece of dust like in the middle of the phone. So we're going to wipe it with this. Right, I've never even turned it on yet. So let's put this glass thing on first. It's kind of cool. It's like a silver side. I'm used to the gold. So cleaning everything, all the edges. Okay, that should be good there. And then use the dry white. Wait, use the dry one. Boom. Dry it up. Oops. Boom. Try it. Yeah, in the background is a Blaine's Charizard First Edition Gem and 10, PSA 10. Got a Shadowless Charizard, PSA 8. Hopefully I can get a 9 or 10 one day. And then this is kind of cool, just a card. It's called Card Dash Vending, PSA 8. So of course that's the most valuable one, and then this one. This is probably just a couple hundred or something. And the Sano I got like a card shop. I thought it was pretty cool. Sanos. Pretty like a Marvel fan. So alright. Looks pretty decently there. Hopefully that's good enough. No dots on it. I think so. Hopefully. Okay, and then the instructions said, now you're ready to put the layer on it. Let's see. Okay, I saw a dot, so I'm gonna take that dot off. Okay, I don't see any dots. Hopefully. I don't know where the dust comes from, right? It's just like flying in the air or something. Okay. All right, let's try. Okay, got this cool. It's like a sunglasses type of, with a tempered, so people don't see it. Well, that's cool. So you can't see it from the side, right? You're on like a subway, no one can see it. It gives you that privacy. So it's like a tempered type of glass. That's cool, right? Although I'm not on the subway, I'm mostly in the car most of the time. Okay, so it sounds like I peel this off. Don't touch it, right? And then we're gonna apply this side onto it. So we're gonna put it on and hope for the best. Hope for the best. Let's see. We're gonna line it up carefully here. Let's see. Make sure no more dust. But you have to line up the hole, the camera hole. So make sure that's lined up. This is the hardest part of setting the phone. Putting this little glass thing and not having any dust. You're pretty screwed. You have a dust, like one piece of dust. You're screwed for life. Okay, I kind of see one piece of little dust, so I'm gonna... Or, maybe your mind starts playing tricks on you. You don't know what a dust is anymore. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's try it. Is the video still? Okay. Okay, that's all I did. I just put it on, and then I don't know, we're supposed to, smooth out the edges or something. Press gently on the center of the glass with your finger to allow it to settle and stick. So you're supposed to press the center. I think pretty much press the center, and then maybe go out to the sides. But I think it's pretty good. Yeah, it looks great. Don't know. I haven't turned it on, so that's pretty good. Okay, I got the case too. Got this case, so let's put on the case before we even turn on anything. I like the case with the magnetic back, right? So you can charge back and on the bottom side. So yeah, this is called the MagSafe hybrid case. Not an Apple product, but just find one you like. Let's see. Try to open it up here. Okay. Okay, cool. Let's see what's in here. Setup video. Yes, I mean, what do you got to do to set up put a case on? There's no setup needed for that. Nothing. There we go. Got this case. I like the clear case, so I can people can admire the titanium. If you don't have a clear case, nobody even knows you got a new phone whatsoever. So ooh, got this, kind of cool. I like this one. That's kind of cool. So something dusty in there. Nice. Do I have to take off anything? Stickers? Nope. That's kind of cool. And put this in here for forever, and you never take it out. It's kind of cool. Let's see if we can actually put it in here. You don't know. Okay. You don't know which way to put. Okay, so you start from the top, and then you kind of put the bottom in, because the top has the, I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Oh, there you go. Good. Boom. We're set for life. It's gonna change our life forever now. Videos will never be the same. Your phone won't die after 2 hours. Storage 1 terabyte. You never run out of memory, unless I put literally put 100 videos on there, 30-minute type of full self-driving videos, which I'll probably do. So I'll probably run out of videos memory in a month or something. That's family run around and stuff. So, all right, guys, we're back. We're gonna turn it on for the great unveil of the iPhone 15. Let's see. How do I turn it on? What do I do? Just hold the button. There's no instructions. Is it even charged? Nothing's happening. Maybe I got a defective phone. Let me see. I'm holding the button, one button. But do you have to hold 2 buttons? You have to hold both? Let's try that. Okay, got it. It's kind of cool. Looks cool. Whoa, look at that. Hello. And I guess, well, see, on the side, you can't see anything. People want to see something, you can't. And then, boom, you see it. But you can't see it now. You can't see it? You can see it. You can see it? You can see it. Can see it? You can see it. Can see? See? Can see? See? Okay. And then, boom, normal setup. Let me work on this setup. And then it's a basic same setup, and then we'll let you know how it goes.